Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Coffee Curves. In today's video, I'm going to do a small makeover of a corner space in my bedroom. It's a simple makeover with some simple things, and this makeover can be done in any corner of your house. I would also like to mention that today's video is in partnership with Sunmory. Sunmory is a company that deals with some very interesting lighting solutions. More about it later in the video. Now let's get started. Now this is the corner that I'm looking to do a makeover for in my bedroom. I'm actually planning for a complete bedroom makeover, which I most likely will share in my next video, so stay tuned for that. And as for this area, I plan to have a small seating space, a side table and things like that. I started by placing a light colored rug in the space as the floor is a bit on the darker side in this room. Next, I'm adding this DIY side table. I actually made them out of some old kitchen drawers that I received from a friend who was renovating their kitchen, and these drawers were just going to be thrown away, so I thought why not put them to some good use. All I did was I removed the side drawer channels and covered it with contact paper or wallpaper. I decided to add some storage inside, and I'm placing some bed sheets and pillowcases as these are not really regularly used, so I do not have to access them very often. In my upcoming bedroom makeover, I will be using the same drawers to create another kind of side table, so keep a lookout for that. After placing my stuff inside, I'm placing another drawer to form the top of the table. Now I'm just placing it as it is, but you can go ahead and fix it in place using hinges or some system like that would work to keep it in place. Next, I needed to add some light in the corner, so I was looking for a sleek and modern looking lamp for my space. And thanks to Sunmory for sending me this beautiful lamp. Let me quickly share the unboxing and the setup. This lamp also came along with an LED bulb. A heavier base for the lamp. Assembling the lamp is really easy and quick. The frosted glass lampshade is really smooth and soft in texture and doesn't retain any marks like fingerprints on the lampshade. So it was that quick to set up this lamp. Now let's go take a look at how I'm going to style this in my space, along with some of the features that this lamp possesses. The thing that I like about this design is that it is very sleek, clean and modern. It is also pretty versatile and can pair with a variety of styles. You can even adjust the lighting to 3 color temperatures based on your mood and ambience. Now that the lighting is taken care of, I'm going to move on to the other elements. I'm placing an artificial plant here. Please go ahead with real plants if you can take care and maintain them. I personally cannot. I then placed a poof with a cushion for seating. You could also place some cushions on the floor as well. I then added some decorative pieces on the side table. As you can see, I have a color scheme of grays and yellows and a little bit of green which I'm adding through plants. And then a final piece of this macrame dream catcher. I actually got it from a thrift store and added these colorful wool in between to add some color. as it was empty in between. And with that, my corner space is ready. Let's go take a look at the final setup. So that's it guys for today's video, and I really hope that you enjoyed watching it. And if you did, please make sure to hit that like button and leave me a comment. Share the video with your friends and family, and also do subscribe to our channel Coffee Curves for more such awesome content. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. See you all soon in my next video, which is going to be my bedroom makeover video, so don't miss that. Until then, take care. Bye bye.